So when I'm out and about, I get an awful lot of questions about testing ignition systems, specifically, how do I see all of my cylinders at once on one screen? So we're going to do that today with this thing behind me called the SIA2000. Now this was designed to work on waste spark systems, and I have this hooked up to an '01 Taurus, which is a waste spark car. So one coil fires 2 cylinders at once. This can also be used with flag pickups, use coil on cap adapter, coil on plug adapter, all sorts of different ways to do it. But like I said, we're going to do it on a waste spark car today. So let's take you through it. Okay, I already have it hooked up to the scope here. So once we load into the lab scope module, I'm going to go into ignition scope. And I'm going to start off in a parade pattern. So we'll go in there. Should be all set up, ready to go. Let's fire up the car and see what we get for a pattern. All right, looks pretty good here. Let's pause that. Okay. All right, so that's looking pretty good here. So across the top, this yellow line, that is the side that's firing spark at the time, and then the green line is the waste spark side. So that's the side that's firing on the exhaust stroke. So you can see we got a pretty good pattern here. We got good spark lines across all of them. They all look pretty even, so this car looks like it's doing pretty well. Let's back up here. You can also look at it in like a raster pattern, they call it. So you can see all of them right on top of each other, so you can compare cylinder to cylinder to see how they're firing. And we could also look at it superimposed over each other, same type of look. So you can take a look and see how they're firing in relation to each other. All right, so like I said, many uses, a lot of quick, easy way to check your ignition systems.